From scenic trails to charming towns, this guide to day trips near Cali offers everything you need for a memorable adventure close to home. There is the description. We are delighted to announce our inaugural craft beer bar tour, designed specifically for those seeking to explore the diverse array of local and national craft beer offerings across the bustling metropolis. Our mission is to engage participants in a vibrant exploration of 3 distinct pubs, each offering unique experiences tailored to their discerning palates and informed understanding of brewing technique. Our tour commences at Centenario Mall, a prime location ideal for starting our journey. Here, we will begin our quest by visiting Botanico Pub, nestled within the tranquil Granada neighborhood. This establishment boasts a spacious terrace, providing an inviting setting to sample a wide selection of locally brewed craft beers. Following the sunset, we shall proceed to Cat Park, home to the El Gato de Tejada Monument, a symbol of Cali's cultural heritage, erected on July 3, 1996. From here, we will continue our tour towards El Peñón neighborhood, where we will encounter the charming pub Cervezas Calima. This pub offers an array of craft beers produced in the scenic Lake Calima region, each with its own distinctive character. The ambience is jovial yet sophisticated, making it an ideal spot for savoring these brews alongside appetizers that complement the flavors perfectly. As night falls, we conclude our tour at Distrito Bar, a venue renowned for its eclectic mix of musical genres. This establishment provides an unparalleled experience, ensuring comfort and relaxation amidst the finest craft beers from both domestic and international markets. Additionally, Distrito Bar offers a delightful culinary experience, pairing exceptional beverages with a range of Colombian and imported dishes, thereby enhancing the overall enjoyment of our tour. This tour promises not only to educate participants on the intricacies of craft beer, but also to foster genuine connections among individuals sharing a common passion for this beloved beverage. Join us in exploring the rich tapestry of Colombian craft beer through this engaging and enlightening tour. Cali, renowned for its vibrant gastronomic landscape, offers an unparalleled sensory experience throughout the city. This culinary paradise boasts a myriad of iconic dishes that must be tasted by every visitor. Traditional beverages like colao and shampoos add an extra layer of flavor, while exotic fruits such as lulu and soursop tantalize the palate with their unique acidity and succulence. The essence of a culinary journey in Cali cannot be fully appreciated without indulging in picadas, small-scale food stalls where flavors converge into a harmonious blend. This gastronomic exploration promises an unforgettable adventure that invites guests to delve deeply into the local cuisine. Embrace this exceptional culinary excursion in Cali, where every dish tells a story and each bite awakens the senses. Depart from the bustling metropolis of Cali towards the enchanting San Cipriano Natural Reserve. Embark on an unforgettable journey via the distinctive Brujita transport system, a marvel of modern engineering designed specifically for accessibility within the secluded sanctuary. On arrival, enjoy the serene splendor of the region, bathed in the reflected light of crystal-clear rivers. Indulge in a sumptuous traditional meal prepared by local chefs in the heart of the Coca Valley. Transfer to the natural reserve and explore its verdant landscapes, enveloped by a tranquil atmosphere. Engage in a guided tour to learn about the indigenous inhabitants and their ways of life. Post-lunch, unwind amidst the refreshing waters of the reserve. For your final adventure, return to the Brujita for a comfortable ride back to Cordoba. Upon arrival, Transfer to your accommodation in Cali, where you will be promptly taken care of upon check-in. A comprehensive exploration of Cali offers visitors an efficient and enjoyable experience, seamlessly transitioning between attractions within a private vehicle. Our knowledgeable local guides lead you on a journey that immerses you in the rich cultural heritage of the city, providing insights into its fascinating history and tradition. Highlights include visits to iconic landmarks such as Cristo Rey and Sebastián de Belalcázar, where breathtaking panoramic vistas await. Don't miss the opportunity to savor authentic Colombian cuisine during your trip, enhancing your overall experience as a true connoisseur of Calinismo. In addition to these notable sites, a visit to El Gato del Rio provides a unique glimpse into the artistic soul of the region, while the Boulevard del Rio invites a stroll through its historic heart, brimming with artistic expressions and tales of indigenous origins. This guided tour promises an enriching and memorable encounter with the vibrant essence of Cali's past and present. Embark upon a captivating journey through the diverse neighborhoods of Commune 20 in Cali, where visitors can immerse themselves in the rich tapestry of art and culture. Guided by an expert local, explore the transformative stories behind each district's inhabitant. Savor authentic local drinks as you traverse the streets, capturing the essence of each community. Begin your exploration at the Terminal Mio Cañaveral station, boarding the scenic Mile cable car for an aerial view of the bustling metropolis. Marvel at the panoramic city vistas from above, while your knowledgeable guide shares anecdotes about transportation and historical significance. As you descend towards Tierra Blanca station, listen to tales of salsa traditions and the vibrant local culture. At Lleras Camargo station, indulge in the serene beauty of lush greenery, providing a tranquil backdrop to your stroll. Next, uncover hidden gems at the intriguing Brisas de Mayo station, where folklore and legend intertwine with daily life. Your itinerary concludes with a return to your designating point at 7:00 p.m., allowing ample time for reflection and further engagement with the vibrant atmosphere of Commune 20. This guided tour promises a unique blend of urban exploration, cultural immersion, and culinary delights, ensuring a memorable experience for every visitor. We shall commence our journey toward Alameda Market, traversing two distinct neighborhoods along the route. Our objective is to explore local culinary offerings, specifically focusing on dishes such as shampoos and cucas prepared by caleñas, local women. This venture serves as an essential introduction to the essence of our cultural identity, encapsulated within our gastronomic heritage. Throughout this process, we will have the opportunity to immerse ourselves in both Afro-Caribbean influences and European culinary traditions, gaining insights into the local community's lifestyle and custom. The bustling Alameda Market offers a diverse array of products, ranging from fresh fruits and vegetables to artisanal crafts and daily necessities. As we sample these authentic foods, we will also savor our local specialty, viche, a refreshing and flavorful alcoholic drink that complements our taste buds perfectly. This experience not only tantalizes our senses but also provides us with a deeper understanding of the region's unique blend of flavors, colors, textures, and regional gastronomic preparation. These elements are imbued with symbolic significance, reflecting social dynamics, popular narratives, and sustainable use of natural resources. Embark on an enriching guided walking tour from the Miraflores neighborhood of Santiago de Cali. As your knowledgeable guide leads you through the bustling streets, immerse yourself in the unique culture of this vibrant city. Your journey begins at La Palmera Hostel, where your eager companion awaits to share insights into the diverse culinary delights of the region. Upon arrival, discover the fascinating geography of the Cauca River Valley, which contributes significantly to the rich agricultural heritage of Colombia. This natural setting plays a crucial role in shaping the thriving fruit industry in the country. As you proceed towards the heart of the city, explore the vibrant markets located near La Palmera Hostel. These open-air bazaars offer a kaleidoscope of colors and aromas, showcasing the finest produce from across the valley. From the bustling stalls, sample a variety of exotic fruits, each offering a taste of nature's bounty. Each piece of fruit becomes more than just sustenance. They become part of the cultural tapestry woven throughout the Valuna gastronomy. Your tour concludes at Market Square, where the energy of the city meets the freshness of the local produce. This final stop allows you to reflect on the day's exploration, while savoring the flavors of the region. Paragliding offers individuals the chance to view the world from a different vantage point, while providing a sense of exhilaration akin to flying. This thrilling activity allows one to appreciate the sheer freedom of the sky, where sensations of liberation transcend physical boundaries. The essence of joy derived from such an endeavor lies in its simplicity. No prior skill or expertise is required to embark upon this remarkable expedition. Valle del Cauca stands out as a prime location for paragliding due to its favorable climatic conditions, which enable smooth, secure, and enjoyable flights. Its proximity to key launch sites enhances its appeal, making it a sought-after and cherished pastime within the region. Upon completing a flight, lasting approximately 15 minutes, participants land safely back onto the Earth. Following their aerial journey, they may reflect on their experiences by reviewing photos taken during the excursion. This concludes their unforgettable adventure. Upon embarking upon this journey, travelers shall be privileged to witness the ethereal beauty of humpback whales during their breeding season. This unique opportunity affords an unparalleled opportunity to immerse oneself in the natural wonders of the Pacific coastline. Post-whale watching excursions, guests will partake in a delectable gastronomic experience, featuring culinary delights indigenous to the region's shores. Visitors will then engage in an educational endeavor as they visit the vibrant village of Vichy, where they can sample the traditional beverage known as Vichy, offering insight into local customs and traditions. The day commences early with pickup at 4:30 a.m., ensuring that all participants are well prepared for the adventure ahead. A hearty breakfast awaits upon arrival en route, providing sustenance for the upcoming excursion. At 6:00 a.m., the group will embark on a shared boat journey from Buenaventura towards Huanchaco. Upon reaching the destination, guests will be greeted by the mesmerizing spectacle of a panoramic whale watching experience aboard a vessel equipped with advanced technology for birdwatching. The island of La Palma promises an enriching experience, allowing visitors to explore its pristine beaches under the watchful gaze of these magnificent creatures. Following the exhilarating whale encounter, lunch will be served in Huanchaco, followed by ample free time to relax on the shore, or embark on a scenic hike through the picturesque surroundings. By 4:00 p.m., the team will make their way back to Buenaventura. Afterward, they will proceed to Cali, arriving at around 5:30 p.m. By evening, weary travelers will find themselves comfortably ensconced within the embrace of their accommodation, where a sumptuous dinner awaits them before settling down for the night. Throughout the itinerary, certain elements may vary based on the tides and weather conditions in the area, ensuring that each participant experiences the best possible outcomes according to their preferences and needs.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.